beautiful Bulgarian countryside house for sale in village Voditsa. Escape to the serene Bulgarian countryside with this exquisite property located in the charming village of Voditsa. Just a short drive from the bustling town of Popovo. Nestled amidst picturesque landscapes and rolling hills, this beautiful countryside home offers the perfect retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. As you enter the village of Voditsa, you'll immediately feel the warmth and hospitality of the local community. With convenient amenities such as shops, schools, kindergartens, a bus stop, and a post office all within reach, you'll enjoy the best of both worlds: the peace and tranquility of rural living combined with the convenience of modern facilities. The property itself is a true gem, boasting a spacious layout spread across 2 floors. On the first floor, you'll find a large stone basement, ideal for storage or conversion into additional living space. The main living area consists of a corridor and 3 generously sized rooms, providing plenty of space for living, dining, and entertaining. Upstairs, you'll discover another corridor leading to 3 more rooms, each offering breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. Imagine waking up to the gentle rays of the morning sun streaming through your windows, casting a warm glow over the tranquil landscape. Outside, the property is surrounded by a large wall, ensuring privacy and security for you and your family. The garden, spanning 904 square meters, is a true oasis of tranquility, filled with lush vines and fruit trees. Spend your days lounging in the shade of a tree, tending to your garden, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet of nature. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retirement retreat, a family home surrounded by nature, or a holiday getaway, this property has it all. Come and experience the charm and beauty of Bulgarian countryside living for yourself. Schedule a viewing today and make your dream of owning a piece of paradise a reality. Yes, sure, the property needs work, but surely the value can be seen. Please watch this video throughout to the end.
Allow us to introduce ourselves to you, so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another No Thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi Ltd, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold. And we have been selling properties for 20 years. So we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel. An outlook which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school. There is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishte. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market these days, they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the houses or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit. Or buy it at its absolute lowest market price. With no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website. There will be a link below and see what there is for you.